so today I'm gonna be doing Rainbow Dash. So of course, I know that any ponies, but a lot of ponies have your favorite pony is Rainbow Dash. So let's start with the ear, like that. Yes. Then we go to this part. There. Her mane. See how I'm doing this? And then we kind of go to her eye and just draw one circle or two circles. I always draw two, but you can draw how many you want, but not the whole. Okay, so next I'm gonna just kind of as you see now, I'm gonna just kind of go through my eye, starting from here, kind of just color it in. And I'm starting it here. Kind of just make them thick. Done. And then the mouth. There. So go like that. Then the leg. So there we go. And there's a part of her being. There's another part. I guess there is another part. So yeah, let's start with her wing. That is kind of the most, but I've done it. So let's do another one of her wings, like that. And just kind of draw the line, like I got here. Oh yeah, and draw another leg, and another leg. There we go. Oh yeah, and of course, there we go. Then you kind of just, because it's in a tree, eating a banana, you kind of just have to draw a banana. And I'm bad at banana drawing, so I'm kind of just like that thing. Kind of just here. It's realistic. And with a monkey. So the monkey, I just kind of need to start with her tail, and then kind of her body. You need to leave this. You can do it in pen, or you can, and then her. There we go. This is my monkey. You can draw a monkey however you like. But anyway, if you want to make it the Rainbow Dash in a tree and banana and monkey, kind of just have to. The eyes, I always draw the eyes like that. Oh my God. There we go. Then for kind of, there we go, there's my Rainbow Dash in a tree eating a banana with a monkey. Hope you liked my drawing. Bye.